Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? Today's video is how to do pay-per-call affiliate marketing, and you're going to learn to earn daily, guys. This is a cool affiliate sort of field of affiliate marketing that not a lot of people know about and not a lot of people do because it's not that glamorous. It's kind of like not glamorous at all. It's just kind of grind. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to do this. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and stick around to the end because I have a special little bonus for you, a really cool bonus for you that's going to help you a ton. All right, so what is pay-per-view? Or pay-per-call? Pay-per-call is basically you create a little like microsite or a little like a landing page, or you don't even need that. You can actually you could do it with strictly with ads. All you need to do is get a phone number that either you have a phone number and you forward it to an affiliate network's phone number. And what happens if someone calls that number? Like, let's say they need a tow truck, or they need a plumber, or they need a injury lawyer, or they need a divorce lawyer, or they need a roof, or they need rehab, which is a huge one. Any of these things, right? Well, what happens is they call, and if they're on the phone for a certain amount of time, like 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120 seconds, you can make a commission just for them having it on the phone. So here's what happens. Companies buy leads, and they know that if a lead is on a phone for 60 or 90 seconds, the chances are that if they get 3 of those or 5 of those or whatever their number is, they're going to make a sale. So they're willing to pay out, like, okay, we'll pay you $26 for every one of those, because every 3 we know we get a sale and we make, $250 or whatever it is they make per sale. I'm just throwing numbers out. I don't know, whatever industry it is, right? So some of these paper calls, they pay as low as $10, or some of them are even like $3 or $4. I mean, that's for like really high volume, easy stuff. But if you make enough of them, it's a great money. Or they pay 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's some that are paying like $600 per lead. Those are really competitive markets. But if you can build a big enough sort of niche landing place for that, some content around it, then you're going to get those leads. And those bigger ticket leads, guys, those campaigns can last for years and years because those people are going to keep buying those leads, right, for that amount of money. So how do you get into this field? Well, number one, there's a really cool place called Offer Vault, and if you go there, you're going to see all these different ways of doing affiliate marketing, different tabs of affiliate marketing. Let me bring it up here just so you guys can see it, because I didn't actually. Let's see, Offer Vault. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys. Here, get rid of my sound. Okay, so guys, this is Offer Vault. You can just go make an account there. It's free. And they have affiliate offers, and they have affiliate networks, and they have mobile offers, and they have this really cool thing called paper offers. So, for example, what was I talking about? Rehab. I don't know if rehab will come up. Let's see. Yeah, rehab, guys, raw 2 minutes. So if you can generate a lead that lasts for 2 minutes, they pay $825 for that lead. Or if you can do addiction treatment, $700. Rehab, $600, right? Rehab, a raw call is $80. Addiction, $500, $400. Now, guys, I'm showing you these. These are like these will take time to learn how to do these. These are very competitive markets, but they're totally attainable. On the other side, you guys want some really easy stuff. Towing, guys. Look at this. 60 seconds, $9.50. National call, $5, right? That's probably just a call. Quick fix towing, $375, $240 a call, right? So this one you have to stay on for this is US, guys. This is phenomenal. Like, think about it. I know it doesn't sound like a lot of money, but guys, you go out and you create a site and you just create a whole bunch of authority with that site. People are going to land there. You could get 10, 20, 30 of these calls a day, right? We're looking at towing. We're looking at another great one, although this is quite competitive. $15 a lead for a locksmith, right? Another one, plumber. Guys, these are people paying. Here's a plumber one, $25 for plumber, up to $36, $15, $10, $9. It's all different depending, and some of them are just for regions. So you guys, you're going, well, Glenn, well, how do I even do that? Well, you need a site something like this. Here's one that we made, my partner and I made. We made this in literally about 7 minutes because I'm going to show you some really cool software that makes this for you. But guys, this is a full blown affiliate offer, right? So this number right here, 84488, if someone calls that and they stay on the line for, I think it's a 90-second call, we make $19, I think it is. So for this one. So guys, this is a full website, right? It goes it's going to go to articles. We're going to throw some more articles up there. I threw a couple of articles up there. I just made it into a WordPress site and linked to a WordPress site. If I go back, it links back to the site. So that's it. But guys, this site, this right here is actually built for you, like totally done for you with all the text, guys. All this text is already done. I recommend if you get this and then go in and spin these articles. If you don't know what spinning is, just Google it. Spinning basically means that you're going to take this text and you're just going to make it your own. You're going to change it around, make different paragraphs. Take the concept of this article and rewrite it. That's all it is. Just spin it. There's things that will spin it for you, but it's always better to just rewrite it or get someone to rewrite it. You can actually take this and hire a writer for like $7 and they'll just rewrite this for you. So this has got tons of pages. So it's already a full site. Now, you're going to, well, how do we get traffic to that? Well, you're going to SEO it. You're going to send traffic to it in different ways. You can buy Bing ads. I mean, we're buying Bing ads for, I don't know, no, it's less than a buck a click because our conversion cost, I think our conversion cost for plumbing, we're getting paid $15 and we're getting, I don't know, Dave does all the numbers. I think it's costing us about $6, $5 or $6 for a conversion, and then we make 15, right? So we're looking at what's the profit on that. We make on that one, we make $9. $9 per sale basically once you break all the numbers down. You go, well, that's not very much, Glenn. It's not, but we're not doing any active work on it. It's all done. The only thing we do is we just pay for the ads and everything else is done. It's just done, guys. And once this site gets more authority, right, it will continue to grow and grow and grow and more authority. We just have to put some more SEO articles on it, and it's going to continue to grow. And if for some reason someone that this offer ends and we need a new offer, we just change that phone number. We also use YouTube. We have videos on YouTube driving traffic to this website. So what is this crazy software, you want to know? Well, the link is below. It's something. I'll show you what it is, guys. I'll show you the actual. This is it right here. So you come in here and there is let's see. I think there's about 271 niches, guys. So anything you can think of, you want to build an acupuncture site, you want to build an apartment site, aquarium store, architects, right? Let's go rehab. Let's see if there's anything in rehab. There you go, drug rehab, guys. So remember what I was talking about? Those really high ticket ones? Well, you start with this, right? You start with this page here. You change your company name, right? But all these articles are already written, because really what you want people to come, you want them to read the information. They've got some information from you that's helpful for them, right? Whether it's called skilled nursing, the extended care program at whatever company that you are promoting, boom, 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 boom. So you change out this number, they're going to read some articles, and you can change it. If you want to say, hey, we find the best rehab clinics, you can be totally transparent, right? Don't pretend you're a rehab company. Say you're a referral service for rehabs, but take all this content and where it says company, say best rehab referral service, and you talk about that, and they go, yeah, I like this. I'm gonna get them to find me someone in my neighborhood. They call. This is just a fake number, guys. This will be the number that you get from the company, and they call that if they're on for whatever amount of time. Dude, you can make 800. So this is all done, guys. This is done. We are actually going to build rehab because we're expanding right now. We've run a bunch of tests and we're doing a bunch of home services, but we're also like, you know what? we've got the websites to do this, so we're just going to start building these out. And you can change the color in these. You can do whatever you want. You change the logo, you change the color, but all that content is already done for you. Like 95% of the work is done. You just have to rebrand it. So how, and you're still going, well, Glenn, like, what are you talking about? How do I do this exactly? Well, there's a guy, that Marcus, that did, Anthony Marcuso, that did an amazing training. And check it out. You can get this training for $13. So I'm going to put a link below. You definitely want to use our link. And again, it is an affiliate link, so we will make a small commission off it. But this is basically, we have this entire course. We own it all because we love it. But basically, this is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And this guy has been doing it for years and years and years and years. It's who we follow. We follow exactly what he does. And then we basically, we do what he teaches us. We implement it. We make these small sites. We send traffic at it. We go into YouTube. We make a bunch of little 30-second videos. We just say, hey, you need a plumber, then call the number below, right? And we just have a talking head. Some of them are just completely just graphics, right? With a robotic voice over top. Are you looking for a plumber in whatever? We'll target a neighborhood. And then we say, click the button below. There'll be a phone number there. They can either call right there, or they'll go to our plumbing site, and we'll be driving traffic that way. This is what he teaches. So he's going to teach you this for like $13. You go over and you buy this Rapify. I think it's $22 right now. For 12, I think you get 12. And if you want the whole big package, I think it's like $30 a month or something like that, or $40 a month. But guys, this is how you do it. And it's simple. Just keep doing it. So I said I was going to give you guys a bonus. So here's the deal. If you are interested in going and doing this avenue. Now remember, this doesn't have to be your main business. You spend a couple of weeks setting up some pay-per-call offers, right? And then let it run. Just let it run. Check in every day and go, yeah, this is going to be another one of your multiple streams. Like, guys, if you want to know what my number one income is, check below. It says my number one recommendation for making money online. This is just a side gig. This is another revenue stream for us, guys. We have real estate. We have we have credit card processing. I have different affiliate marketing programs, right? I have paper call marketing income now, guys. Software as a service, right? Recurring residual income from people, from hosting, from names, everything. So I have a whole bunch of streams of income, and it just continues to grow. And what am I actively working on? The only thing I'm actively working on is building my YouTube, because I want that to become another revenue stream. So make sure you subscribe. So I want to get to 1,000 so I can start monetizing this and continue to bring you guys value, bring you training, bring you stuff that you need to know in order to do affiliate marketing. So that's it. So click the links below, go check out the bulletproof method, grab the link, grab the Rapify link from below, get started, and yeah, guys, just set it up and set it and forget it kind of thing, right? Well, you don't really forget it. You got to monitor it, but it's really cool when you see those cha-ching, and you're like, well, that's cool. And especially when maybe you're running some Bing ads, maybe you have a little budget, you're running like, $10 a day or something like that on Bing. You're bidding on some stuff. And you get the sale, and you go look, and you're like, hey, there was no Bing ad triggered. All of a sudden, you got an organic sale from your little microsite. That's when the magic happens. And you're like, this is cool, because that is pure 100% residual income. You did work. You set up a website, right? Organically, someone found that website on the web, and they've called the number, and you got paid. That is residual income, and that's what's so exciting. So check it out, guys. Get your links, get the software rolling. Guys, I've spent way more money on crap software that made me no money. This stuff works 100%. It's amazing stuff. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Cheers. Oh, the bonus. Dave and I will, if you guys want to grab that, we will give you we'll give you a video. We'll give you a niche video. You tell us what you want the video in, right? Say, Glenn, we're gonna do a plumber or a towing one. Can you make us a? And we'll give you a 30-second video for towing, right? We'll just say we'll make the video. It'll be generic. It'll say click the number below, or if you need towing, and get the number below, and we'll send that to you, and then you can upload it to your YouTube channel. You can put your pay-per-call information under that, and when people start calling it, you will get paid. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.